Whether you believe in the mysterious moon matrix theory or not, please watch this video carefully, because it might completely change the way you see the world. In 2001, British writer David Icke studied the moon's volume and position using math and geometry, and came to a shocking conclusion. The moon is actually a launch device called the moon matrix, built by a highly advanced civilization using 12 machines. The frequency waves it emits can severely interfere with human consciousness and perception. We, on the other hand, are trapped on three-dimensional Earth, limited in our ability to perceive higher dimensions, like unfortunate prisoners. The goal? To prevent humans from discovering the truth about the world. Icke also pointed out some strange phenomena that cannot be explained by astronomy. You begin to realize that the moon is far more mysterious than we imagine. For example, during a total solar eclipse, how can the moon, vastly smaller than the sun, perfectly cover it? Astronomical data shows the sun's diameter is 1.39 million kilometers, while the moon's diameter is only 3,400 kilometers, a difference of 395 times. Coincidentally, the sun is 150 million kilometers away from Earth, and the moon is 380,000 kilometers away, a ratio also of 395. It's as if the moon's size was precisely calculated. The exact control over the Earth-moon distance is even more uncanny. Not only does the moon rotate on its axis, but it also revolves around Earth. Miraculously, both its rotation period and revolution period are 27.3 days. Due to tidal locking, the same side of the moon always faces Earth, so we can never see its far side. Tidal locking also affects Earth's tilt and rotation, as well as ocean tides. Since our bodies are 70% water, could the moon be directly influencing human behavior? Next is the incomprehensible Roche limit. When a small celestial body approaches a larger one, if it crosses a critical distance, tidal forces tear it apart, creating planetary rings. The corresponding maximum distance is the Hill sphere. A satellite must orbit within it, otherwise it escapes the planet's gravity. So the moon must stay between the Roche limit and the Hill sphere to be Earth's satellite. Astonishingly, the Earth-Moon Roche limit is about 13,500 kilometers. The Hill sphere about 1.5 million kilometers. The moon could orbit anywhere within this range, but it specifically chose 380,000 kilometers, the exact distance to create total solar eclipses. Moreover, the moon is huge for a satellite, over a quarter of Earth's diameter, even larger than Pluto. In comparison, Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede, is only 1/27th of Jupiter's diameter. This is why many believe the moon was deliberately positioned around Earth. According to Icke's moon matrix theory, our universe is a complex multidimensional space, but humans can only perceive 3 dimensions. Higher beings are always around us. The illusions, déjà vu, and even paranormal phenomena we experience are actually events from higher dimensions. To prevent humans from discovering the truth, advanced civilizations created the moon matrix, manipulating and regulating Earth's life and consciousness, even sealing the pineal gland, considered the third eye, blocking our ability to sense the world with a sixth sense. As astronomer Robin Brett once said, "It's easier to explain the moon's non-existence than its existence. It's precisely because of the moon's size and distance that life could emerge on Earth, giving rise to human civilization. But if we think differently, can we be certain? Before humans appeared, were there absolutely no other advanced civilizations on Earth? What you see before your eyes might be the true form of the universe beyond ours." This video was created by an anonymous physicist abroad and immediately gained massive attention upon release. He believes that humanity's exploration of the universe may have already deviated from the true path. The key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos might be hidden in ancient Chinese wisdom, the Tao Te Ching. He had an insight from the opening line of Laozi. The Tao that can be told is not the eternal Tao, and discovered a new logic for the origin of the universe, which inspired this breathtaking video. He divides the evolution of the universe into 3 stages: the initial energy field, the embryonic universe, and the universe we currently inhabit. He suggests that our universe did not originate from a single Big Bang, but that in the primordial void, there existed an invisible, intangible energy cluster. It was neither matter nor perceivable, more like the formless Tao, an original force containing everything yet impossible to name, driven by its internal dynamics. This energy cluster slowly evolved. Over billions of years of oscillation, the energy field gradually solidified into the foundational genes of the universe and the protoforms of fundamental particles. As the Tao says, the Tao gives birth to one, one gives birth to two, two gives birth to three, three gives birth to all things. From chaos, order emerged. Countless tiny particles collided, merged, and accumulated under gravity, forming energy spheres. They did not emit starlight, but radiation from the transformation of matter. During this process, space descended into extreme chaos. Yet within disorder, new order was born. As these spheres continued to merge, they formed a superstructure, the seed of the universe. Yet this was not yet the universe as we know it, but a potential-filled embryonic cosmos, capable of complex evolution. He further proposed, our universe may only be a cell within a larger superorganism. This superorganism is composed of multiple universes, each like a cell in a body, connected and resonating through energy fields. As the Tao Te Ching states, man follows earth, earth follows heaven, heaven follows the Tao follows nature. All cosmic structures follow higher-level natural laws, continuously evolving. Although this superorganism is still in a phase of rapid growth, it will eventually age. When the universe's evolution reaches its limit, all matter and energy will gradually return, becoming the original mysterious energy once again, completing the cycle from existence to non-existence. As the Tao Te Ching says, the movement of the Tao brings all to an end. The end is also the beginning. Perhaps one day, when you gaze at the stars again, you will realize the vast universe we perceive might only be a speck within a higher dimensional life form, experiencing all 10 dimensions of the universe at once. 0D. Point. A point with no dimensions. While 0D points don't exist in reality, we use them constantly. For example, when navigating to a location, your phone shows a point on the map. It has no size or shape. Even if marked on a map, it remains invisible. It's merely a placeholder in mathematical space, representing a precise coordinate. 1D. Length. Extending a line from a 0D point creates one dimension, length. It has no width or thickness and can extend infinitely. Standing on a straight road, you can only move forward or backward, not sideways or up and down. One dimension only includes linear movement, with infinite 0D points in between. 2D width. Expanding a line forms a 2D plane. It has length and width, but no depth. Hypothetical 2D beings could move in all directions along the plane, but could never leave it or imagine 3D objects. Width exists everywhere in our lives. For instance, considering whether you can fit through a doorway. 3D. Depth. This is the dimension we live in, representing distances between objects. It provides rich sensory experiences, allowing us to navigate freely and perceive shapes, sizes, and distances. Yet the universe is far beyond 3 dimensions. For D. Time. Time connects past, present, and future, giving meaning to the evolution of the universe and cause-effect relationships. It allows us to remember, experience, and anticipate, like controlling a movie progress bar. Unlike a movie, real time flows continuously from past to future. According to Einstein, time isn't fixed, it dilates with speed and gravity, meaning each person experiences time differently. Interstellar vividly illustrates this effect. 5D. Parallel universes. Imagine a tree where each branch represents a life choice. Different choices create different worlds that exist in parallel. According to theory, the moment you choose, a parallel universe is born. The 5th dimension encompasses all possibilities and infinite life paths. 6D. Parallel universes plus time. In 6D, time links all parallel worlds, showing how they interconnect. You can observe the connections, but still cannot see the future, only past and present. 7D. Multiverse. Think of a vast library, each book representing a universe with unique initial conditions and physical laws. Some are like ours, others wildly different. Some advanced technologically, others governed by magic. 7-dimensional space is like the librarian, accessing all universes and exploring infinite possibilities. 8D, multiverse plus time. 8D links timelines across all universes into a network. Each node represents events that could branch new universes. Here, you see how universes influence each other, how civilizations may interact, and how cosmic events shape fate. 9D, hyperreality. Imagine folding a piece of paper in countless ways. Each fold represents a change in physical laws or initial conditions, creating new universes. The ninth dimension contains all possible laws and conditions, acting like a universe creator. 10D, ultimate unity. In 10D, the universe has no direction, time stops, and all possibilities converge. It is both the beginning and the end, where all is one and everything returns to zero. A point of ultimate unity where existence simultaneously has and hasn't begun. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.